Hi everyone! In this week's episode of Chic and Cheap, we are going to be making our very own miniature tutu trim. And this trim can be used to embellish your projects or cards, or you can make it into flowers. You can make tutus for your dolls. If you'd like to make this in a human size, you'll do the same exact thing, except on a much larger scale. I was inspired by this trim that I had purchased, and I wanted to make my own, but instead of using just tulle, I added in some torn fabric and lace. So I took some long lengths of tulle and lace, and I kept folding them in half and cutting them till I got the size that I wanted. Now these will be folded in half, so keep the size double what you would like it to be as an end result. So I have my little stack there, and I have some torn fabric as well. I am going to be building mine on seam binding, but you could use ribbon or yarn or elastic. So you're basically going to be slip knotting it onto your ribbon. Very easy. Just pull the tails through the little hole that you created. I think everyone knows how to do a slip knot, but just in case, I will do one a couple times for you. So I'm just holding it, looping it over, putting the tails through the little loop that I made and pulling it tight. And you just keep adding on your strips of fabric and tulle and lace, or whatever you choose. You can do many different colors, try different materials to see how they look. And just keep adding them on and sliding them down. You can make it as full as you'd like by pushing them very close together, or leave a little space between them. And here I'm just showing you how I'm using it as trim for a card. Of course, you could use it to trim a box or any type of project that you're working on, and that would be very cute. You can also make it into a flower. Just take the ends of your ribbon and tie them in a tight knot. And that would make a cute base as a flower for another flower on top, or add a big center or button to it, and it would look super cute. I'm adding a crochet flower to the top of mine. Very girly. And here are some other examples of flowers that I made using this technique. I hope that you enjoy it and you will feel inspired to try it yourself. Thanks so much for watching.